We'll now look at an example using the installment payment formula. Our example says, Kristen wishes to purchase new window blinds for her house at a cost of $1,500. The home improvement store has an advertised finance option of no payment down and 6% APR for 24 months. Determine Kristen's monthly payment. We have the formula for an installment payment at the top of the page. So let's read through our problem and let's try to determine what numbers are going to go in for which letters. So ILM is the installment payment. That is what we're looking for. We're trying to determine her monthly payment. P is the amount financed. So we know that P will be $1,500. R is the annual percentage rate as a decimal number. So 6% written as a decimal will be 0.06. N is the number of payments per year. We know that the interest compounds monthly, and so the number of payments per year is going to be 12. And T is the time in years. She's financing for 24 months, so that is T is equal to 2 years. So let's take our formula and let's plug the numbers in the correct positions and then we'll work it out. So we'll have M is equal to, and in the numerator we're going to have the P value, which is 1,500. And we're going to multiply by the R value, 0.06, divided by N, so divided by 12. For the denominator, we're going to say 1 minus, and we're going to open a parenthesis, 1 plus R, so 0.06, divided by N, so 12. We're going to close that parenthesis, and we're going to raise it to the negative N, so negative 12 times T, so times 2. Now, let's go ahead and do some of these calculations. For example, the 0.06 divided by 12 in the numerator is equal to 0.005. In the denominator, the part that's in parentheses, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 is equal to 1.005. And we're going to raise that to the negative 12 times 2, so the negative 24th power. If we multiply on the top, 1,500 times 0.005, that gives us 7.5 on the top. And if we type in our denominator, and you can type it into your calculator exactly as it appears here, that gives me 0.1128, and I'm just going to carry that decimal out to keep from having rounding error. And when we do our final division there, we end up with $66.48. And so her monthly payment will be $66.48.